Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of data processing with Data Factory, an advanced ETL tool for extracting, transforming, and loading data. If you're looking for a way to handle complex data calculations, integrate multiple forms, and process data like a pro, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what is Data Factory? Well, it's an advanced ETL tool, which stands for Extract, Transform, and Load, designed to help you handle complex data processing tasks with ease. Whether you're working on a single form or need to integrate data across multiple forms, Data Factory has you covered. Compared to aggregate tables, Data Factory offers more advanced calculations and additional capabilities. However, keep in mind that unlike aggregate tables, Data Factory is not real-time. By default, it processes and syncs data once an hour. But for most use cases, that's more than enough. Now, you might be wondering, why should you use Data Factory? Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to calculate the real-time age of your employees. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. If you use a formula directly in a form, the age will remain static and won't update automatically. With Data Factory, you can solve this problem and get real-time updates refreshed hourly. Let me show you how. Here's how you can use Data Factory to calculate the real-time age of your employees. Step 1. Extract data with the input node. First, use the input node to pull your employees' personal information, such as their birthday, date of joining, and any other relevant data from the employee profile form into Data Factory. Step 2. Process data in the Field Settings node. Next, head over to the Field Settings node. Here, you can use formulas to calculate the employee's age or years of service. This node allows you to perform operations like adding new calculated fields, renaming or hiding fields, sorting and organizing data. For this example, we'll use a formula to calculate the employee's age based on their date of birth. Step 3. Output the process data. Finally, use the output node to export the process data as a data stream. This data can now be synced back to the employee profile form or displayed on a dashboard for real-time insights. Now that you've seen Data Factory in action, let's talk about some of its key features that make it such a powerful tool for data processing. 1. Join. Just like the join function in SQL, this feature allows you to combine data from two tables into a single table. Perfect for integrating data from multiple sources. 2. Union. The union function is great for merging data from tables with similar structures. It's like stacking rows from two tables into one. 3. Group by. Use this to perform summary calculations on similar data. For example, you can group sales data by region and calculate total sales for each region. 4. Data filter. Filter out the data you don't need and keep only what's relevant. It's a simple yet powerful way to clean up your data. 5. In the Field Settings node, you can perform formula operations for custom calculations, create rankings to sort data and assign ranking numbers, generate cumulative summaries, which are especially useful for financial analysis, like calculating cumulative sales over a period of time. 6. Pivot. Transform rows into columns using the pivot feature. This is handy for reorganizing your data and making it easier to analyze. 7. Dedupe. Remove duplicate data with the Dedupe feature. This ensures your calculations are accurate and your data is clean. So, why should you choose Data Factory for your data processing needs? Here are a few reasons. Advanced calculations. It can handle complex operations that regular forms or aggregate tables can't. Cross-form integration. Combine and process data from multiple forms seamlessly. Real-time updates. While not instant, it refreshes data hourly, giving you up-to-date insights. Customizable data streams. Output your process data for use in forms, dashboards, or other tools. And that's it. With Data Factory, you can take your data processing and integration to the next level, making it easier than ever to perform advanced calculations and keep your data up to date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. And if you have any questions about Data Factory or want to see more tutorials, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.